In this video, I am going to show you how to download and install Kali Linux image on VMware Workstation. Open your favorite browser, search for kali.org. Here we have two types of Kali Linux. Kali Linux for VMware Workstation. In this video, I want to install installer image. It is the latest version on 2025. Click on download. Now Kali Linux image is here. It is around 4 gig. When you download Kali Linux, open VMware Workstation. I want to install Kali Linux on VMware Workstation Pro. If you don't have VMware Workstation, I have separate video for that. You can find on the description. Create a new virtual machine. Select Custom Advanced. Next. Next. Select I will install operating system layer. Next. Here select Linux. Click here. In the list we don't have Kali Linux, but we can select other Linux. It is 64-bit. Next. Write one name here. I want to write Kali. Next. Select your processor. If you have, you can select 4. If you don't have, 2 is also enough. Next. Select 2 gig RAM or 3 gig RAM. If you have, you can select more than 2 gig RAM. I want to select 6 gig. For better performance. Next. Network type, leave as default. That is okay. Next. Again, leave as default. Next. Next. Select disk. Create a new virtual disk. It is okay. Next. We need more than 40 gig. 50 gig is enough. Select store a virtual disk as a single file. Next. Next. Finish. Now in this step, click on CD DVD. Use ISO image file. Browse. My ISO file is on download. It is called Linux. Open. OK. Click on power on this virtual machine or click in this blue button. Guys, please like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel for more useful content. Select graphical install, hit enter. Select language. It is English for me. Continue. Select your location. Continue. Confirm the keyword. Continue. Confirm the network. Kali is okay. Continue. Confirm the network domain name we don't need. Continue. Write full name the new user. You can write any name you want. I want to write Tor. Continue. Assign password. Confirm password. Continue. Configure the clock. It is okay for me. Continue. Partition disk. Select the first one. Continue. Again, continue. All files on one partition. Okay. Continue. Here we don't need to create other partition. It is okay. Continue. Partition disk. Write the change to disk. Yes. Continue. Software selection. Here we have different environment. Leave as default. Continue. It is okay. Continue. Select the second one, dev SDM. Continue. Enter your username and also password. My username was Thor. I hope you enjoyed from this video. See you soon.